Can we up to step 2? Identify A, B, and C. The step is simple like 1, 2, 3. So let me break it down, represent from the crown. Hold on for a second, I'm gonna show you how I get down. I got x squared minus 2x plus 3. Now I'm about to find out what A, B, and C. Now A is always next to the letter to the second power. Recognize, cause we do this by the hour. B is always next to the letter to the first. C is the constant and it can never thirst for a letter. That means it stand alone, just a number. This is always gonna be C, notice before you slumber. A up here, but I don't see a number. That means there must be a 1. We got like a ton of ways to answer this, cause we represent and we got to dismiss all thoughts of negativity. A equals 1, B equals -2. Come on, y'all, we chilling with the crew. Now C equals 3. This all done. Let's do a few more examples before we get done. I got 3x squared minus 4x plus the 6, and I never get vexed. A right here next to x squared gotta equal to 3. Come on, B now, can't you see? B next to the x is the -4. Now C equals to 6 and we ready for roll. Let's do a few more examples and switch it up a little. Break it down real quick and we're gonna solve it like a riddle. I got 5x squared minus 6 plus 3x. Hold on, things we got to fix. I look here and I know it's not in standard form. That means it's not in the setup the way it's the norm. But A, always next to the letter to the second, so it's gonna equal to 5, and trust me, that's what I reckon. Now B, I would think it's in the middle, but not this time, boy. It's kind of like the middle. That means they mix it around. They put my x over here. When I find the letter to the first, I got no fear, because the coefficient of letter to the first is always going to be B. So in this question right here, B is always going to be 3. C, the last part, equals to -6. Let's do one more, but we can do this without a hitch. So let's say I got 3 minus 2x plus, hold on, never get vexed, 4x to the second power. We break it down, get the millions by the hour. A right here is next to the letter to the second. That means it's equals to 4. Come on, we got a few seconds. Then over here, I got B is next. I look for the letter to the first, and that's the rest. -2 equals to my B. And the last step right here is C equal to 3, and we out.